Tahoe is my favorite lake that I've been to.
It is the clearest lake in the United States and the second deepest lake in the U.S. with a depth of 1,645 feet.
That's deep enough to cover the Empire State Building.
Emerald Bay is a great beach area to hang out.
Yes, and while you're there, make sure to check out the Vikings Old Mansion.
Next time I'm in Emerald Bay, I'm for sure paddleboarding to Finette Island and climbing up to the tea house. Here it is, the secret to Sand Harbor.
First off, there is no street parking.
You will get a ticket. Sand Harbor opens at 8 a.m.
So make sure you're in line before then.
Anytime after that, good luck. Since COVID-19, they are limiting the amount of people in.
When you get in, go claim your beach spot.
The best spots fill up fast.
Thank you to Tahoe Trail Bar.
And the amazing drinks at the Sand Harbor Bar and Grill. A couple things I recommend doing in Sand Harbor is paddleboarding and kayaking.
Swimming is amazing too.
But remember, the average water temperature in the summer is 62 degrees.
Ooh, chilly.
Places like Emerald Bay are much colder. Make sure you wear sunscreen or a rash guard. The lake elevation is at 6,200 feet.
With the chilly water, you could be burned before you know it. I love kayaking the crystal clear waters.
Also climbing and jumping off the big rocks.
Sand Harbor is a must-do in Lake Tahoe.
Please check out my other Lake Tahoe videos for other fun things to do while you're there. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.